Your roof gets damaged and the carrier says,
It's just wear and tear.
but let's think this through. If a roof or window already has wear and tear, wouldn't that make it more vulnerable to wind damage? Brittle shingles, loose flashing, and old siding. That's exactly what wind exploits. So denying coverage because of wear and tear, that's not just lazy, that's avoiding responsibility. If your damage was caused by wind, it should be covered. Don't let the wear and tear excuse stop you. DM me or visit helpwithdeniedclaim.com. I'll break down your policy and help you fight back.